Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on Monday, Peteni isn't happy when she learns that Sibongile is the one who has been supporting Kwenzo to challenge the family. The search for Velepi and Sangweni comes to an end with a serious ultimatum. On Tuesday, will all the obstacle force Velepi to give up on what matters most? Welcome to Tension gives Tulisile hope, but Pagamani has ulterior moves. On Wednesday, when the winner is announced for the award Kwenzo is nominated for, Kwenzo takes a bold stand against injustice. In a traditional court, the Induna must listen to as much information available before he can decide about Velepi. Thank you guys for watching.